Student, this is the special topic of class 12 chemistry, chemical properties of amines. In the last lecture you have learned about the chemical properties of amine, in which you have studied about the carbyl amine reaction and one more reaction, Hofmann ammonolysis. What you will learn in this lecture: reaction with acids, mineral acids, amines are the basic in nature because it contains a lone pair of electron on nitrogen, so it show basic behavior. It react with mineral acid like HCl, HNO3, form salt. Suppose we are taking a primary amine, that is R single bond NH2. When it react with any mineral acid like HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, so it form R single bond NH3 positive, Cl negative. What is the name of this? This is alkyl ammonium chloride. Suppose you are taking here methylamine, methenamine, CH3 single bond NH2 plus HCl, so it will form CH3 single bond NH3 positive, Cl negative. Name will be methyl ammonium chloride. That's mean mineral acid like HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, these all react with any type of amine, that should be primary amine, form salt. I am writing one more example. This is an aniline aromatic amine. When it reacts with nitric acid, HNO3, so it will form ring NH3 positive, NO3 negative. See here, this H will be attached here, this nitrogen containing lone pair, this nitrogen containing lone pair. That's why this positive ion will, H positive will come and attach here and form a salt. The name of this compound is anilinium nitrate. Okay student, next chemical property, reaction with aldehyde and ketones. Reaction with aldehyde and ketones. Amines react with aldehyde or ketone, they form Schiff base, or you can say Schiff reagent. How the reaction takes place? See here, R single bond NH2. When aldehyde react, I am writing like this, so it will be convenient for you. This is aldehyde. This H2 and this O will be removed in the form of water. So you will get a single bond N, double bond C, single bond H and single bond R plus H2O. This is called Schiff, SCHIFF, Schiff's base. You can say anil also. In case of aldehyde and ketone, in both the cases reaction will be same. I am writing for the ketone, a single bond NH2, and this is writing ketone. What is the ketone? When the carbonyl group, that means this carbon, both the bonds will be attached with alkyl group or aryl group. So this H2 and oxygen are single bond N, double bond C R plus H2O. If you want to write example by taking ethylamine, propylamine, I am taking here CH3, single bond CH2, single bond NH2, and in this side benzaldehyde I am taking, ring, single bond C, single bond H, double bond O. So H2 and O will be removed and it will form CH3, single bond CH2, single bond N, double bond C, H, single bond ring plus H2O. Okay, students. Number next is reaction with salt solution. As you have studied in the lower classes like 11th or 10th, the ammonia react with salt solution, form complex. Similarly, ammonia, amines also react with salt solution like copper sulfate, silver chloride, cuprous chloride, form complex compound. Suppose you are taking any amine that is primary amine, that means you can say here reaction with salt solution, reaction with salt solution. So you are taking amines, this is RNH2 primary amine, and when it reacts with silver chloride, so it will form complex Ag RNH2 whole twice bracket close Cl. This is the complex salt you will get. What will be the name and how you can write the examples? I am writing one example and then after you can write the name. Suppose you have taken CH3NH2. This contains 2 electrons, react with AgCl solution. So you will get AgCH3NH2 whole twice Cl. On balancing we have to use here 2. What will be the name? According to the IUPAC system, this is methylamine. 2-methylamine silver first chloride, that means di-methylamine silver first chloride. See here, when it reacts with copper sulfate solution, CH3, single bond CH2, single bond NH2 plus CuSO4 aqueous. So compound will be complex compound CuCl CH3 CH2 NH2 whole 4 bracket close SO4. What we have to use here for? Here we have to use for balancing. Why we are taking whole 4? Because coordination number of copper is 4. So these are behave like legend. So if you want to see the video on the basis of this legend and coordination compounds, we will make another video. What will be the name of this? Tetra kiss ethylene amine copper second sulfate. You can write the reaction between any salt, but salt of transition metal should be, because only transition metal can form the complex. Here we have taken copper, silver. These both are in the category of the D block element and they can form a complex salt. Okay. Next property of amines is reaction with acid chloride, acid anhydride. Number 4, reaction with acid chloride. Acid chloride. So first of all, you must know what is the formula of acid chloride and how we will represent. As you know, the formula of acid is R single bond C double bond O single bond OH. When this OH is replaced by chlorine, so it will form R single bond C double bond O single bond Cl. This is acid chloride. If we write the example of this, so first member will be H single bond CO Cl. What will be the IUPAC name of this HCOCl? It is methanoyl chloride. But dear student, for your kind information, this compound is unstable at room temperature. It will never be stay in this form. If you will take this compound, it will break into CO plus HCl. So we will not use HCOCl in case of acid chloride. Another member is CH3 single bond COCl. This contains 2 carbon and it is stable at room temperature. Its name is ethanoyl chloride. Ethanoyl chloride. But most widely used name for this compound is acetyl chloride. This is common name, acetyl chloride. Generally in the books and question, this name will be used. So this is the common member of acid chloride. When this compound react with amine, this Cl will be removed and the hydrogen of amine, there are 2 hydrogen here, 1 hydrogen form HCl. So I am writing the reaction with amine and acid chloride. Amine, that is R single bond and H2. When it react with acid chloride, RCOCl, 1H and 1Cl will be removed and this will form R single bond N. For your convenience, I am writing like this: NH single bond CO single bond R. This group you are seeing, this is amide plus hydrochloric acid, that means HCl will form. On writing the example, CH3 single bond CH2 single bond NH2. This is ethanamine. If you use Cl single bond C double bond or single bond CH3, what is the name of this? Acetyl chloride or ethanoyl chloride. One H from the amino group and one Cl form HCl. So CH3 single bond CH2 single bond NH single bond C double bond O single bond CH3 plus HCl. What is the name of this compound? How you will call the name? See here, 1, 2. These are two carbons. According to this is ethanamide, and this is ethyl group attached to the nitrogen. So N ethyl ethanamide. Okay. Similarly, we can use here benzoyl chloride also. In case of benzoyl chloride, we will take C6H5 COCl. So you will get, if you are writing CH3 single bond NH2 plus Cl single bond C double bond O single bond C6H5. This is benzoyl chloride. So you will get CH3 single bond N single bond H single bond C double bond O single bond C6H5 plus HCl. Name will be N-methyl benzamide. N-methyl benzamide. I think this is sufficient for today, and I hope you have learned. Please see the video properly and write more example of this type of reaction by using different member of amine, methylamine, ethylamine, aniline, etc. Thank you. Good night.